be working on the second day for the Enchanted Spring Challenge. Now this challenge was started on the Alternative Junk Journals Facebook group, but we've had some things change in the last few days, and the Alternative Junk Journals Facebook group is no longer going to be there due to circumstances out of anyone's control. So it has been moved to a new group on Facebook called the Uncommon Guild. The Uncommon Guild, and I will link it below in the description box. And instead of being all junk journal based, it's going to encompass lots of different kinds of like creepy crafts and dark themes things and stuff like that. So the challenge has now moved to the Uncommon Guild, and we're all really excited to kind of expand our creativity and the types of projects that we can share in our group. So that's kind of exciting. And so today the challenge was to make tags to go with an Enchanted Spring, and each day, April from Pink Oddbird, she's putting out a secret ingredient that you have to use in your tag. So her secret ingredient for today is furry, something furry. So I was digging around in my stash trying to figure out what I could use, and I have this stuff that is just it's very furry. So and it's kind of got different colors in it, and it's actually I had taken a purple dress and ripped it, and so these are all kind of like silk fibers it was a silk dress, and so all of these are just kind of silk fibers and stuff in different purple colors. So I'm going to use some of this, and I'm going to make kind of like a specimen tag. So, kind of a vintage feel, because my first one was kind of vintage, and I'm kind of like in a vintage crafty mood right now. So, hopefully I have an idea of what I want it to look like, but I don't know if I have enough supplies to make it get there. So, I don't know. We'll just see what happens. So, I'm going to be using some of this as my furry element. So, I have an idea of where I'm going, so I'm just going to get started. Okay, so I think I'm pretty happy with this one. It's definitely aged, grungy. It's got some furry stuff in the center there, and you know, if I want to, I can go back and I can write out what it is or what it's believed to be on the back. So I kind of love this wire at the top. It's kind of cool. There, I'm trying to flash on a little bit so you guys can see it. But yeah, pretty happy with how that one turned out. Got the stitching on it, lots of stamping, aging. So yeah, pretty happy with that. You guys go check out if you like kind of creepy, weird, you know, off the beaten path kind of stuff, and you like to maybe you like Halloween or witchy stuff, or you know, horror movies or whatever. There's all kinds of different genres, so you can go check it out at the Uncommon Guild Facebook group. We used to be Alternative Junk Journals Facebook group, but now we have moved, and so don't miss out on all the fun. We're having a tag challenge going on right now, so thank you guys so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you would, and try to help me get to 700 subscribers. When I get to 700, I'm going to be announcing a big challenge, a prize challenge. So come back and see me and share this channel if you would, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!